Due to a recent increase in fracking and oil production in our area, jobs in the petroleum industry are becoming more of a demand. PPE is very important in this field to keep you and the people in your area safe. Petroleum engineering can be a very dangerous operation. These people work on fracking sites nearly every day with multiple chemicals and large equipment, so PPE is very important to this operation. Without PPE, they risk extreme or fatal damage to themselves. PPE for fracking sites include eye and face protection, respiratory protection, head protection, and foot protection. Eye and face protection is one requirement for operation on a frac site. This protection refers to safety glasses, goggles, and face shields. If you wear corrective lenses or contacts, wear eye protection that incorporates the prescription, or wear protection that can be worn over the prescription lenses without disturbing the proper position of the lenses. If welding pipes together, welding helmet with proper protective shading has to be worn. The proper protection is worn to protect your eyes and face from flying particles, molten material, liquid chemicals, acid or caustic liquids, chemical gases or vapors, or potentially injurious light radiation. Blindness, burns, and allergic reactions could all come from not wearing eye and face protection. Respiratory protection includes several different devices from ventilation hoods to full-face gas masks to air filters. You need to use these devices to protect yourself from harmful dusts, fogs, fumes, mists, gases, smoke, sprays, or vapors. These fumes or particles are not always in the air, but respiratory protection must be present when they are to protect you from harmful diseases and internal damage. According to OSHA, 823 workers in the oil and gas extraction industry were killed on the job from 2003 to 2010. The fatality rate was about 7 times greater than all other industries, and hazards ranged from chemical exposures to vehicle crashes. Some questions about fracking, such as the long-term health effects of silica exposure on workers, might not fully be answered for decades, but OSHA and NIOSH have stepped forward to provide hazard alerts and possible solutions. The most important personal protective equipment for fracking in most large job sites is head protection. Head protection is typically a hard hat that is designed to reduce electric shock hazards and adjust to different head sizes. The importance of a hard hat in the largely practiced safety is because there is a high possibility of overhead pipes, pumps, drill heads, steel beams, or even tools that could be dropped. If you do not wear your hat or either do not see large objects hanging or above, you are putting yourself at a very high risk for extreme head injury. Last but not the least important is foot protection. Fracking sites mainly require you to wear steel-toed boots and have hard-soled rubber boots on hand. These boots will better protect your feet from falling or rolling objects piercing the sole, or from an electrical hazard. Your feet are a very essential body part, so it is majorly important to protect them from as much danger as possible. Boots prevent major cuts from sharp objects, smashing or breaking bones, and better help grip the floor so you do not fall.